Welcome to another amazing 5-minute auto pairing. So let's see what happens here. Okay. Cindy 2065 from Brazil. One. I think I'll take her. Okay, just protecting Z4. I'm glad actually that pin, maybe that would have been significant actually. Okay, so what's the plan? Oh, rook C1, knight E4 to C5, or this C5 square could be useful. Yeah, but just do this for a moment. Try and use the C5 square. Okay, that's a bit of a retreat. Put the bishop over here then. Looks good at H7. And knight E5. Just looks good. Maybe queen H5 on the cards. Can I soften the king if I go H4 and just G3 and king G2 later for rook H1? So pawn sack to get this H file. Try and soften the king here. The bishop's a long way from being on the diagonal to exploit that. Okay. Maybe just queen G4 here. So knight G6 and bishop G6 on the cards. These dark squares look vulnerable. Bishop G5, Queen H4, Bishop F6. Actually, what about just knight E4 to F6? Isn't that just really strong as well? Knight E4. And the knights though get pawn there. That's really dangerous. Bishop G5. So anyway, let's see what happens next. I'll work on the next move. To conserve energy here, what does black actually play here? looks to be tricky. Right, so I'll go ahead and, if that's the case, so bishop g5 looks okay. Yeah, I think bishop g5. And bishop f6, queen h4 looks like a... Oh! Ah! Good point. Okay, I'm on the rook. I've still got knight f6 on the cards. So bishop f6 looks dangerous. So knight f6 coming up. What's the defense? Weakened dart squares. I think just knight f6 here looks...
Check.
Looks pretty good. So the h-pawn attack seemed to work. Opening that h-file earlier. Okay, yeah, okay, resigned, okay. So let's see, the h-pawn attack, dreaded h-pawn attack. Yeah, this is okay for white, as you might think. Yeah, I think this was interesting, h4, I think it's the engine's choice. So the engine just saying to take it, hope for the best, I guess, or changing its mind now. Well, no, back to it. Anyway, it wasn't taken, so this gives me h-file to use. That compromises the dart squares. So yeah, it did seem as though this is okay to drop the pawn. It's no big deal. This strong priority is knight f6. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that one. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.